Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Starbucks gift cards, and more specifically, I'm going to go through the steps to redeem your Starbucks gift card from Amazon. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, this is going to be a really quick video, really not a lot of steps involved with this, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. So if you're watching this video, most likely somebody sent you a Starbucks gift card from Amazon and you got an email like I did, or maybe a text message with a link. Once you get the email from Amazon saying that your friend has sent you a gift card from Starbucks, how do you redeem that Starbucks gift card into the app? Well, that's what we're going to talk about. So I already have my Starbucks gift card here in my email inbox that was sent here. And Amazon makes it pretty easy. So basically what you want to do is once you open it, click on this orange link right here called Get Your Gift Card. I'm going to click there now. Okay guys, I went ahead and clicked there, and then what happens is Amazon directs you to this particular website. I'm not sure exactly if it's an Amazon website or maybe they just do the gift card servicing for Amazon. Whatever the case is, just be aware that it will take you to a different website than Amazon. But as you can see, I now have this $25 gift card from Starbucks that was sent from Amazon. And in order to use this gift card, it's pretty easy. You can just scan this barcode that's included with the link. So again, if you happen to be at the register for Starbucks and you want to use your Amazon gift card, basically what you do is click on the link, what I just did, and then it's going to bring up this barcode, and then you just show your phone to the barista and they'll be able to scan this and use it as a form of payment. But if you're like me, you already have the Starbucks app and maybe you want to add this Amazon Starbucks gift card into your app just to make it a little bit more convenient. What you can do is just click down here. They make it simple. Click on this green button called Add to your Starbucks app. If you don't have the Starbucks app already, you can click on this button or check my video description. I'll try to leave a quick link there. But I'm going to go ahead and click on this green Add to your Starbucks app now. Okay, next your phone is going to prompt you to open up the Starbucks app. If you want to, go ahead and click open. I'm going to click there now. Okay guys, I went ahead and clicked there, and then my Starbucks app opened up immediately into this screen called Add a Card. So once you're here on the screen, you're going to see your Starbucks card number right here from Amazon. You're also going to see the security code for that particular Starbucks card that somebody sent you from Amazon. Now you have a couple of different options. So you can click on the first one, which would be transfer funds from your Amazon Starbucks gift card into another card that you already have associated with your Starbucks app. That's what I like to do, and that way I don't have too many cards associated with my Starbucks app. However, there is this other alternative where you can just go ahead and add the card into your Starbucks app. Either one's going to work fine. It really depends on your personal preference. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and click on Add Card and just add the complete card into my Starbucks app. I'm going to click there now. Okay, and just a quick second later, the Starbucks gift card that was sent to me from Amazon pops into my app, and as you can see, it's $25 that I now have associated with my Starbucks app. And that is how you can redeem a Starbucks gift card from Amazon into your Starbucks app, or even at the register using the barcode. If you happen to know an easier way to redeem a Starbucks gift card from Amazon, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know how you did it. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.